Hello, I'm Tremaine with the NUA news team, and today we took a field trip to the VizLab, and we learned a lot from Professor Frost, which I'm going to interview right now.
Thank you very much for teaching me also your name. Now I can actually say it with a T.
What did you do with did you guys work with this San Diego County fires?
Yeah, with the fires, and we actually didn't get very much of that, but the fires are very much like Haiti, where when you look at what was taking place, what was taking place makes a huge difference of can you tell people where the disaster is and where they should go. And so we did a lot of the where is the fire and where should people go in terms of evacuation.
Okay. Also, what do you guys do with the Navy?
Navy is one of the groups, the way that it's said is that they're leaning way far forward. And what that means is they are trying things out before others. What do you do for disaster response? And so the Navy is very interested in, they're the ones, like for Haiti, they're the ones that got the telephone call that said go. And by saying, how could you go do things before they get there? And how do you do it where millions or hundreds of millions of people could actually look at what you're doing? So that's why we use things like inrelief.org, which is actually Google, to make it so that you can accomplish things.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
You
have a very, very special teacher and a very, very special group of colleagues in your class. It was very, very enjoyable to me. I really think, and I really look forward to you guys working with us when a disaster happens somewhere, and you guys actually understand what people of your age would need, but we don't. And so it could go, oh, they could use this, and we could make a little YouTube video like this, where you can say, here's an answer, and then you can share it with the OPM, other people's money, or you put it on YouTube and everybody can see it. And that actually may be something that that NAU could make a huge impact on the world, because you're the only class that has been here, and that's a huge credit to you. And likely that means that if something happened, you're the only ones that could respond. So thank you very much for being here. It was actually a huge pleasure. Thank you again.
Thanks again.